Welcome to Umadevi Children Academy. Students, today we are going to discuss about the topic is covalent bond. So, what is covalent bond? What type of element between covalent bond will forms? How covalent bond will forms? So, all these things we are going to discuss in today topics. So, let's start. The topic is covalent bond. Right, student? So, heading is covalent bond. So, what is mean by covalent bond? What is that means? So, look at here. Co means 2. Co means 2. And the valent means valence electron. Valence electrons. It means the bond between two valence electrons are present. The chemical bond between them, two valence electrons are present, that is called covalent bond. Right, students? So definition: the chemical bond formed by sharing of electron between the two atoms, known as covalent bond. Here I am using the two atoms, one A atom and another also A atoms. Both are same atoms, right? Okay, in this case, this is the A atom electron, first A atom electron, and this is second A atom electron, this is, right? So both are sharing here, sharing electron, it means both sharing. First atom, second atom, both are sharing, like this. Both are sharing. When both are sharing, then between these pieces, the bond is forming here. Look at it, students. There is no bond. Here both are sharing. First A atom also sharing electrons here, and second A atom also sharing electron. Both are sharing to form this bond. So this is we called as a covalent bond. Right, students? This is we called as covalent bond. Understood, students? What is mean by covalent bond? Okay, we will discuss here. So atoms share their outermost electrons. What is meant by outermost electrons? Outermost electron means valence electron, students, right? Or outermost means valence electrons, or you may say valency electrons, right, students? So the atoms are share their valence electron to formation of covalent bond, to form the covalent bond here. So how covalent bond will forms? Covalent bond will forms the atom when atom share their valence electron to next atom, and next atom also share their valence electron to the first atom, then it forms covalent bond. Right, students? Okay. The question is, why atom are share their valence electrons? Why the atoms are share their valence electrons? The atoms are, answer is, atoms are unstable. Some atoms are in the periodic table or in our atmosphere, some atoms are unstable, right? Therefore it share their electron to attain stable inert gas configurations. Right, students? So atoms are unstable. Those atoms are unstable, they are share their electrons. After sharing electron, their outermost attain the stable inert gas. Inert gas means noble gases, right? Noble gas configuration. What is noble gas configuration? Outermost either 2 electrons or outermost 8 electrons, right, students? The any element outermost either 2 electrons or 8 electrons, that is called noble gas configuration or inert gas configuration. Okay, don't be confused. What is inert gas? Inert gas means nothing but a noble gas. Right, students? Okay. Covalent bond is formed between the non-metals. Covalent bond formed between the non-metal students. So here the whatever type of chemical covalent bonds are there, the chemical covalent bonds are exist between the non-metals only. It means here the A atom form covalent bonds both are non-metals. Or either you may use different atoms, A and B atoms. Between the atom, the bond, that is the covalent bond. Right, students? Okay. So non-metal may be same non-metals or maybe different non-metals. Non-metals are maybe same non-metals. The covalent bond is formed between the same non-metals or different non-metals. For example, covalent bond forms between the same non-metals like hydrogen, like this, hydrogen, carbon, second one, carbon, oxygen, oxygen. Right, students? So don't be confused here. Why hydrogen and carbon form single bond and why oxygens are formed double bond? Don't be confused. In the next topic we will solve why it forms the double bond. Right. So this is the first example. The covalent bonds formed between the same nonmetals. Same nonmetals. It means both side. Same hydrogens. Right. Or both side carbon, or both side oxygen, or both side hydrogen. So both are same nonmetals. That's right. So next is covalent bond is formed between the different nonmetals like hydrogen and chlorine. Example HCl, hydrogen and chlorine. So this is the covalent bond. The covalent bond between the hydrogen and chlorine, that is the covalent bond is formed between the hydrogen and chlorine. And hydrogen and oxygen example water, like this H2O. Between the hydrogen oxygens attain the covalent bond. Yes, students. But actually water structure is like this, students. Actual water structure is this form. It is the correct method of structure of water. This is the between the hydrogen oxygen covalent bond, between the oxygen and hydrogen covalent bond. Right, students? Okay. Okay, students. The three type of covalent bond form between the non-metals: single covalent bond, double covalent bond, triple covalent bond. Right, students? Okay. Let's discuss the single covalent bond. A single bond is formed by sharing of one pair of electrons. One pair means two electrons between the atoms, called as single covalent bond. So shared electron pair drawn between the two atoms. Look at here, students. I will detailedly explain by using this example. A atom, this dot is the electron, students. This dot is the electron. This second dot is also electrons, right? So already I told you this atom share electrons and this atom also share electrons. It means how they share electrons? It means the first atom electron attracted to the second atom nucleus, right? Okay, listen carefully. This is the electron. These electrons are attracted to the second A atom nucleus, and the second A atom electron attracted to the first A atom nucleus, right? So then between these two species form a covalent bond here, like this. This is the covalent bond. Right, students? This is the covalent bond. So A atom. So here this electron attracted to the first A atom nucleus. First A atom electron attracted to the second A atom nucleus. So then both are attracted. So that's why they forms bond here. Right, students? Understood? Okay. So between the two atoms form a single bond is present. So it means this single bond which contain the two electrons here. This single bond which contain the two electrons, students. Two electron. So this is the two electron. It is we called as a covalent bond. Right, students? Okay. Next is formation of hydrogen molecules. Hydrogen is more reactive species. It cannot exist in atomic state. Atomic state means the hydrogen is cannot exist in this form, H form. It always exists S2 form. Though this is stable and this is unstable, right? So this is unstable and this is stable. So hydrogen always exists this form, not this form. So hydrogen cannot exist atomic form. Hydrogen always exists molecular form. Okay, students. So hydrogen atomic number is 1. It unstable because it outermost does not attain 2 electrons. It contain only atomic number 1 means it contain only 1 electron. It does not contain 2 electrons. Right. So process of formation of hydrogen bond, hydrogen covalent bond, right? Hydrogen bond. So hydrogen atomic number 1, electronic configuration K is 1. The 2 hydrogen atom share 1 electrons like this, students. 2 hydrogen atom means this 1 hydrogen 1 electrons, another hydrogen 1 electrons. So 2 hydrogen atoms share 1 electron to form covalent bond. So this is also share, this is also share. What does that mean? It means this electron attracted to the first hydrogen nucleus, first hydrogen electron attracted to second hydrogen nucleus. Then both between them attain the HH bond. So this is also written as a H2, this form also, right? So between the two covalent bond, the hydrogen molecule attain the 2 electrons. Look at here, students. Both are attracted with each other. After attraction, they forms bond. So between the hydrogen, 2 electrons are present here. The 2 electrons. These are first electrons. This is second electrons. 2 electrons are present. So this is we called as the pair of electrons. This is we called as pair of electrons. And hydrogen here attain 2 electrons. So 2 electrons present in noble gas. That is the noble gas helium. Helium gas configurations. Right, students? Okay, look at here. Between the 2 hydrogen atom, the stable noble gas configuration on the configuration outermost 2 electrons. Between the 2 hydrogen atoms, stable noble gas configuration, that is 2 electrons. So one hydrogen atom here 1 dot, another hydrogen atom 1 more dot. Both are mutually share. Mutually share means the first hydrogen electron attracted to second hydrogen atom nucleus. Second hydrogen electron attracted to the first hydrogen nucleus. Then here between the hydrogen attain so 2 electron, this 2 dot is 2 electrons. So this is also written as this form, right, students? So then the hydrogen between them 2 electrons are attained here. 2 electrons are attained, right, students? 2 electrons. So this bond between them 2 electrons are present here. Or it also be considered as this is the nucleus, this is nucleus, this is electron, this is electrons. The yellow color is the electron. Yellow color is electrons. So this electron attracted to this nucleus. The first hydrogen atom electron attracted to this second hydrogen nucleus, and second hydrogen electron attracted to the first hydrogen nucleus. Then they are attained this form. Right? They are attained in this form. Right? Understood, students? I hope you understood this topic, students. Next, formation of chlorine molecules. Formation of chlorine molecules. So chlorine molecule formation similar to the hydrogen molecule formations. Chlorine is more reactive species. It cannot exist atomic state. Chlorine cannot exist in Cl form. It always exists Cl2 form. It cannot exist Cl form. Right. Chlorine atomic number 17. It is unstable because outermost does not attain 8 electrons. Look at here, students. The outermost electron 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 6, 5 6, here 5 and 6, and this is 7. So here electrons are pair, 2 electrons. Here electrons are pair, and here bottom also electrons are pair. Here also pair. But this is single. So it means it is unstable. Questions? Look at here. Here it is unstable. So the chlorine atomic number 17, it is unstable because it outermost does not attain 8 electrons. It outermost 7 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5, 6, and this is 7. Right? We are considering only this shell, this outermost. This shell, we are considering only this one. Right, students? So look at here, the outermost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electrons are present here. I hope you understood. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, this is 5, 6, and this is 7. Right? We are not considering the innermost. This we are considering only outermost ring circle. That is M shell. But chlorine molecule have a 8 electron. But chlorine molecule have a 8 electron. How it 8 electron? Let's look at here. Chlorine atomic number 17. Its electron configuration KLm287. Right, students? The chlorine outermost 7 electrons and valency is 1. Right? I told you, students, its valency is 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5 and 6, and this is 7. This is the 7th one. So this is valency. Valency is 1 here. Valency is 1. Right, students? So this valency is 1. This valency is here, students. This valency is 1. Right? This is the valency 1. Right? Understood, students? This is the valency 1 means single outermost electron. Valency means the capacity to form the bond, that is called valency. It means chlorine forms only one bond, so valency is 1 here. So this is cannot form bond because it is already bonded form. This is also bonded form, and this is also bonded form. So this is single, so its valency is 1. Right, students? So two chlorine atoms share 1 electrons to form covalent bond. Okay, I will show you. Chlorine outermost 7 electrons, but this is the single. Right? This is pair, this is also pair, and this is also pair, but this is single. This is single. So this one share electron, this one also share electrons. It means between the chlorine atoms forms a single covalent bond. This bond which contains 2 electrons. So that is covalent bond. Right, friends? Look at here. In diagram, here the 7 electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This single electron, these single electrons are both are bond here. Then the single electrons are bond here. Then it forms single bond. Then this bond which contains 2 electron. So this 2 electron, the single bond contains 2 electrons called as covalent bond. Covalent bond. Right, friends? Okay. Look at here. Single it outermost 8 7 2 8 7 7 electrons. 2 8 7 electrons. Then the formation of bond it outermost 2 8 8 2 8 8 8. So don't be confused here. I will explain here. So look at here. I will draw the structure. I will draw this structure, students. I will draw this structure. Okay, between the two atoms, we are considering like this. So this whatever this bond, these 2 electrons are there, central electrons, this and this. These central electrons, while we are counting, we have to count on the both side like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Right, so this is 8. Okay, I will tell you once again. So both are attend the single bond here. Okay, while we are counting we have to use like this. We are count for first chlorine atom, we have to count like this: 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And while counting the second atom, again we are using the central atom, both electrons. We are using the central atom, both electron. Already it is 1 2, again it is 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it means both side 8 electrons. So the central electrons are followed both side, left hand side chlorine as well as the right hand side chlorine. Right friends, central electrons follow both side. So central electrons are we are taken as a common here. Central electrons we are taken as a common here. Right friends, so this central electron taken as a common for both side. While counting the first atom, we are considering this side total 8 electrons. While counting the second atom, we are counting like this. So central 2 electrons taken as a both side, that is considered as a 8. Right friends, okay, that's why it is 2888 288. Right, because bond is present between the two atoms, so these two electron can the consider right left hand side chlorine as well as right hand side chlorine. Right students, okay, look at here students. The chlorine contain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 electrons, and here they mention dot, and here mention they mention here star like X. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 electrons. So here both are sharing, this is also sharing, this one also sharing. Then it the bond is here. Between the bond, the both electrons are present: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So that is 8 electrons. Right students, for first atom. While consider the second atom, again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So that is 8 electrons. It means while counting the electrons from the left hand side chlorine or as the first chlorine, central electron is common. And the again the while counting the second chlorine atom, the right hand side chlorine, the central atom taken as a common here also. Right, understood students? Okay, formation of hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride, it is the covalent bond formed between the two different species HCl. Both are different here, but here ClCl both are same. In the previous reaction, hydrogen both are same, and here chlorine both are same. Right, but here the hydrogen chloride both are different. Hydrogen and chloride both are different atoms. Right, so hydrogen atomic number 1, electron configuration K1. Hydrogen atom stabilization, it need one more electrons. Right, hydrogen have only one electrons. For stabilization, it need one more extra electron to get noble gas configuration or outermost 2 electrons. Chlorine atom, atomic number 17, electron configuration KLm287. Chlorine need one more electron to get the noble gas configuration, that is outermost 8 electrons. Right students, look at here. Hydrogen atom and chlorine atoms, when they are come close to each other, then hydrogen atom and chlorine atom both are come close to each other. Both are share their 1 electrons. Hydrogen contain 1 electrons, and the chlorine which contain 1 electrons. This is also share, this one also share. After sharing between the hydrogen chlorines, attain the covalent bond. Look at here, 2 electrons are present here. 2 electrons present between the hydrogen chloride, so it is covalent bond. So look at here the image students. Hydrogen 1 electrons, chlorine outermost 7 electrons. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, but in which only one is single. So this single electrons and this hydrogen electron, chlorine electron, both are shared. So here attend central part. So the central electrons, the it applicable for both side, right? When we are counting the hydrogen, we are using 1 2 like this. While we are counting the chlorine, we are using the like this, right? Like this, like this, students. So while we are counting the hydrogen, we are using like this central, applicable for the left hand side hydrogen, 2 electrons. While we are counting the chlorine, we have to use like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 electrons, right? These are 8 electrons. So why 8 electrons? Between the hydrogen chlorine, 2 electrons are present here. So that's why the already it is contain the 7 electrons, and these 2 electrons considered as 8. Right, students? Understood? So okay, okay, right. Understood, friends? Okay. Let's one more figure I will give you. The hydrogen 1 electrons, chlorine 1 2 3 4 5 6 electron, and 7. And this is our bonded form. This is bonded, this is bonded, this is unbonded. So this is also share, this one also share, both are attend like this. Then while counting the hydrogen electrons, we have to use like this, 1 2, hydrogen contain 2 electrons. While counting the chlorine, these central electrons are common for both sides. Again we have to use like this, 1 2 3 4 3 4 5 6 7 8. Right, students? I hope you understood this graph. Okay, students, this is today's topic, students. If you find any doubt, students, ask me. Thank you so much.